Come test drive the 2022 Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, FWD, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance, LED headlights. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.